Hi, so I recently posted a video taking you shopping with me when I went to Marshall's for like stuff for my makeup kit, and so I wanted to take you all with me today into the beauty supply store as I pick up some things for my kit and some things for myself, but mostly for my kit. And so I'm in Atlanta and I am at the beauty. Turned out I had the phone upside down, so I'm gonna take you in here with me. Let me put on my mask because gotta stay masked up. And I'm going in here mainly to have like a photo shoot that I'm doing. I don't even know if you want to call it a photo shoot. It's kind of like a virtual launch type runway type show, and so I'm doing hair for that, so I have to get some hair for one of the models' looks, and then I also need to stack up on some other hair products, like styling products for my clients, and then I'm just gonna see what else I can find. I usually end up buying lashes out of here as well, but if you saw my Marshall's haul, then you know I just bought some. But I also have to go to Ulta to get some stuff for my kids, so I'll take you with me there, but let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I have picked up a few things from the beauty supply, which I showed you all when I went there, but I wanted to come on here really quick and just share what I got with y'all. So I got some bobby pins to add to my kit, and I plan on just like taking all of these off and adding them to a little container that I have already. Full bag. Second thing I got is some Shine Jam. Y'all know I love my Shine Jam. I've been out of this for some time, so I wanted to make sure I stock up. I don't use it as frequently as I used to, which is why I only got this size and only one of them. But that's really good for braiding and sometimes styling on the edges, although it can make your hair curly. So I just try to think of that when I'm styling. I got a brush because I'm gonna be doing some slick ponies, but a brush is always good to have anyways. I had like the edge control brush, the smaller brush, but I'm like, I need to invest in a large brush, so this is for my kit as well. I stocked up on my foam, and I actually did a whole review on this brand, and so you'll have to be sure to check it out. Some people like to use foam on their curly hair. I have yet to hop on that trend, but maybe eventually. I don't necessarily know if I would use this one, but foam has a lot of good purposes. If you see my last video, then you know I stocked up on eyelashes for my clients, but these two are for me, and I love these lashes here. As you can see in the video, they had multiple lashes, but these are the ones I got, so I got. And then y'all saw when I picked out the hair, but I got this hair for my client. I usually don't purchase hair for my clients. Like my clients have to bring the hair, and it just saves cost, and like they're able to get the right one, and then I can just work with whatever they have and it's the right color, blah blah blah. But I'm doing something special with this hair, so I actually just told the person like I will go ahead and get the hair, and then you can reimburse me for the hair as well, to include that in the cost. That's all I got from the beauty supply. Now I did also go to Ulta to get a few things, which I can show you now. I was gonna put all the stuff in my kit, so I had to show you before I did that so I wouldn't forget. So I got the Kenra brand, a few different items from Kenra. This is good for people with like thin hair. I also got the Perfect Medium spray. I get the smaller bottles because for one, the big bottles are just too big. For two, these are like the perfect amount. Then I also got this working wax. I've been wanting to try this working wax from Kenra because I've seen multiple people use it when styling for bridal. Excited to try that working wax. All these things I showed you so far except for those lashes are for my kit because I needed to restock. So I got this e.l.f. poreless primer. Like, don't sleep on e.l.f. They have some really good skincare, and I use them primarily in my skincare, and y'all know my skin be glowing. Y'all can check out all the videos here on my channel, or if you follow me on Instagram, check out my reels. The next thing I got is this blow dry spray. I'm mainly going to be using this as a thermal heat protectant. I do often style and curl and put heat on my client's hair, specifically when it comes to bridal, so I wanted to make sure I protect their hair. I had a different kind that I was using, but I ran out, so this is the perfect time for me to try the Kenra, which I've been wanting to try. Next, I got this hyaluronic dew cream, which I've used the Kiehl's moisturizing cream, and I like it a lot, but I wanted to try something else, so I'm trying this Mario Reduce. And I have all of their like toner products that I'm using, so this is how I'll know if I like this one or not. But it's super lightweight, perfect for sensitive skin types, which like when you do makeup you work on all kinds of skin types, so that's perfect for that. Then I also got this hyaluronic dew drops, which I'm also really excited about for those dewy looks that I plan to be doing. So I'm gonna make sure that I use this and give a good review on it. It's like thick oil. It's not like the oil that you could put on your scalp or like running oil, if that makes sense. It's a thicker type of drop. And I'm trying, this is for myself actually, and if I like it I might get more for my clients, although I'm sometimes hesitant about using pencils on my clients. Anyways, this is the micro brow pencil from Morphe in the shade Cold Brew, and I'm going to be using this on my brows. I usually these days don't use anything to fill in my brows except for some brow gel and maybe some of my Anastasia dip brow, but most of the time it's just eyebrow gel, and I go and I love it, and it's perfect for me. So in this video we talked all about hair care things that you can add or to your hair kit or to your makeup kit if you're also a hair and makeup stylist like me. These are some products that I just wanted to share with you for those who are in this business, and if they're helpful and you like them, great. If you want to see some of my work, be sure to head over to Rock Natural Beauty on Instagram. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you tried any of these products before, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.